there, if we haven't met yet, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door.
Today I'm going to show you how to make your own broccoli sprouts by growing them in a mason jar. To grow your own broccoli sprouts, you'll need a wide-mouth mason jar, a lid for your mason jar with a mesh screen on it, a small stand or something to prop it up so it can properly drain, and some broccoli seeds. Start by scooping 2 tablespoons of broccoli seeds into your mason jar. Add about a cup of water, or at least enough water to fully cover the seeds. Check the time and let your seeds soak for 4 hours. After the 4 hours is up, put the mesh lid on your mason jar, rinse the seeds well, and drain. The kit I bought on Amazon came with this little stand and the mesh lid. I'll put a link below. Simply prop the jar upside down on the stand over a plate so it can drain. Now all you need to do is rinse and drain your seeds twice a day for about 4 days. After the first day, you'll see the seeds start to grow, and each day they'll continue to grow bigger and bigger until before you know it, you'll have beautiful sprouts, homegrown, ready to eat. Drain the sprouts one final time and then simply turn the mason jar right side up and store it in your fridge. Here's a free instruction card you can take a screenshot of to help you remember how to make your own sprouts.